I'm looking at replacing this door handle on our exterior UPVC door. As you can see, it's very worn. Mind you, it's 28 years old. Now, if you decide to change one of these handles yourself, the critical measurement on these handles is the measurement between the handle and the lock. And in this case, it's 92 millimeters. And I think that's a fairly common size for most handles. So 92 millimeters. The other thing you need to be sure of is it an A handle or a B handle? And this is an A handle because it has the screws there and there. And if it was a B handle, it would have a screw at the bottom and a screw at the top. And they're the main things you need to look out for. So I picked up this rather heavy handle set in Screwfix for 25 quid. Very heavy. And it looks the same as what I've got. So I'm going to see about putting it on. So in the packet you get two handles, you get two different lengths of bar that pass through the door, and you get three different sizes of the two screws required, and you get the fitting instructions. So let's see how we do. So start off by removing the two fixing screws. Oh, they're the longest of the ones that I've been given in the packet. And I think when I take this handle off, it's going to fall off the other side as well. So there we go, there's the outside one, there's the inside one. Oh, and this rod is actually longer than the ones they supply. So I will give this one a clean up and reuse the rod. There's nothing wrong with it anyway. I did end up using the bar, the longest bar that they supplied, because my old bar ended up too long. But this is an amazing handle. I'm really pleased with it. Very sturdy and looks the part. So thank you, Screwfix.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.